I don't know.
Give a guess.
Italy.
Italy.
Yes.
No, one more.
Norway.
We got it. Okay, we got it.
He don't draw good.
You know this one? Yes.
Can I guess?
Go for it.
Belarus.
Hungary? No.
It looks like Spain.
So what's
Half of a spade. Croatia, because I heard.
Does that look like Croatia?
No, this
This doesn't look like
some part of the body. I don't know, something inside, kidney or something.
some hidden part of the body. He's a little
do you say?
pervert, so he draws some.
You give me a hint. Germany, Poland.
Belarus.
He got it in one.